It's safe to say that accessing our fridge contents from the back of your four-wheel drive can be a mission without the right setup. This is where the Clearview Easy Slides and Power Slides come in. Whether you're taking a quick pit stop on the side of the road, camping or fishing, you can enjoy the luxury of having your fridge contents accessible without having to bend, stretch or strain yourself. The Clearview Easy Slide is the simplest drop-down fridge slide on the market. Handle up, fridge up. Handle down, fridge down. It's that easy to access all your cold food and drinks. If you want to know what the future of on-the-go refrigeration access looks like, the Clearview Power Slide is it. This power slide offers easy and effortless access to your cold food and drinks at the touch of a button. The Clearview Power Slide is not just about having your food and drinks readily available. It's about simplicity, comfort, and enjoying our great country without limitations. Say goodbye to awkward stretching and heavy lifting, and hello to more time enjoying the great outdoors with the Clearview Power Slide and Easy Slide.